You work hard at what you do, and to run a successful operation, you have to deal with a lot of moving parts. But what if the actual parts and service were one less thing to worry about? That's exactly what CAT Customer Value Agreements, CVAs, are designed to do. Parts on time, priority service. That's a CVA. With a CVA, your CAT dealer is committed to having your parts on the shelf ready when you are. If your maintenance parts aren't available when you need them, we'll get them to you as soon as the next business day. And if we can't, you get CAT credit of up to $1,000. And your CVA doesn't just cover availability of maintenance parts. It also covers common repair parts and second-day technician response time when your CVA includes dealer labor. If the repair part you need is not in stock, we'll get it to you as soon as the end of the second business day. Through a CVA, you get service you can count on. From same-day scheduling and second-day technician response time for diagnosed repairs, to preliminary diagnostics and progress updates, customer value agreements are designed to give you back your peace of mind. Talk to your CAT dealer about a CVA, or visit cat.com/servicescommitment today.